Yeah, let's start.
Okay, I call the meeting to order. Today, President Vishal is unable to join since he's traveling. So I'll be carrying on with the proceedings. I have sent across an email 5 days back with proposed changes to the club bylaws and the club constitution. I assume everyone has gone through the same. And I have also sent the financial statement that was prepared by our treasurer for the first FY, that was for July to December. Anyone would like to ask any questions, any doubts, anything that you'd like to clarify on these points on the financial statement or club bylaws or constitution? Are you all aware of the changes that have been made in the bylaws and constitution?
Yes.
Okay. Do you all want me to go through the same, or shall I consider that none of you all have any doubts?
Consider them read, please.
Okay. So in that case, can I have somebody to propose passing off the amended bylaws and constitution?
Yeah, who wants to do
Okay.
proposal?
Okay.
Propose.
Priyanka's right hand.
Okay.
I will tell.
I'll second.
Okay, so Priyanka and Gaurav have proposed and Kavit has seconded. Thank you so much. So just for your reference, I have the changed points or the modified points have been highlighted in yellow. So to actually know what have been the changes in the club laws, bylaws and constitution, you all just need to open the document and see the yellow part and you all will know what has been highlighted and those are the changes. Anyone has any questions on the financial statement that has been sent?
We would like to thank Jalpa for keeping the fees low, and we are very delighted. And Jalpa, you're the best.
Jalpa, would you like to reply? Okay.
Yes.
All right. So we carry on now. I would like to invite our incoming president, our president-elect, Mr. Abhay Bhatia, Rotarian Abhay Bhatia, to please take on from here and announce your incoming board for Rotary year 2021-22. All yours, Abhay.
Thank you, Karan. And first of all, good evening to all. I hope all of you all are doing well. Uh, these meetings are kind of important, the club assemblies, primarily because it is all internal members only. And usually, for any incoming president, this is supposed to be an important day because here we finalize what the board, who the board, and how the board will be operating in the next 6 months from now. First of all, I have been blessed to be a member of a board member for the last 2 years, and I'm delighted to follow the high benchmarks which each of the presidents have set before me. Be it the charter president Gaurav Sathe, followed by Anjal, who had made me the secretary in his year, and followed by Ankesh, then Vishal, and finally the baton is being passed on to me. And I'm very honored, and I'm also very excited that following my path is a very, very hardworking and deserving president who will now be president elect in my year, Namrita Shah. And guys, we need to do a drum roll because the vice president in my year, who will be the president after Namrita, is none other than Siddharth Sathe. So I'm going to pin him so that you all know. See, such a handsome guy. So cute.
Hi guys.
So, Siddharth, congratulations.
Thank you,
And,
thank you everyone.
just for everyone's information, Siddharth's nomination was unopposed. There's a reason why he's called Bad Boy Sathe, and that's the reason no one messes with him. But having said that, I think it's just superb that a club as young as ours is able to attract a future leadership so easily. I think the enthusiasm is superb. And I just think that We are blessed to have been linked with Bombay Airport and also having members from Bombay West and around. We all should be very fortunate that, they say any business, any venture, the first 3, 4, 5 years are crucial for survival. We have seen many clubs who started with us, but unfortunately are not still there, or are just barely surviving. So in that case, we are very lucky. Today, our strength is 56 members, and that itself is commendable. So I would like to congratulate all of us. And before I proceed ahead, I would just like to highlight that our board, that is the BOD 21-22, most of the new members, or the so-called elected, or the members who applied to become directors, had a small meeting this weekend in my residence, and the vision ahead is very exciting. We have a lot of things planned out for you. What I like about the new board which is going to come is, I'm going to highlight it again, is that there are going to be 4 first-time directors joining the board, which makes it, I think, 1/3 of the board will be having its first so-called virgin directors. Excuse me for using the term virgin, but they've never been directors in RCMC. But having said that, they have a lot of experience in their fields. They are very responsible people. They're doing really great. And I just feel that I think the next 3 to 5 years are going to be excellent. One thing which I want to thank, although Vishal is not there, we must thank Vishal with the way he has managed to run this year. This has probably been the toughest year to be a president. It's so sad because physically no one's meeting, so projects can be tough. But Vishal has managed to do, raise that amount of funds with obviously Karan as secretary and having a very experienced board. I think uh, as I present to you my board, I will I will just say that this board, the current one and the board which is going to come, have the same vision as the first board which Gaurav was leading. So the vision remains the same. The idea is around a strong knit community, because community is what matters first. We members is what matters first. Everything comes secondary. So by the end of our year, we want to make sure that all of us look forward to attending Rotary meetings. For me, if that is the feeling which I'm able to give you in your heart, I think I've done my bit. So the board along with I will make sure that we are doing things which are for the club. So before now I'll just like to share my screen. Just give me 1 minute. I'll just quickly introduce the board also. Most of the members are already here, so that's superb. Sorry, it's somewhere midway, but I'll get started now. So first thing, let me start slideshow from here. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so finalization of positions. So very happy to be the club president for the year 21-22. Really honored that the club trusted me to sort of lead the club next year. Thank you so much. Following me is obviously, rather than leading me, is the immediate past president Vishal Jain, RDX, who has done a superb job, and I think I have a lot to learn from him. Following Vishal is, of course, Namrata Shah, who's the president-elect in the year 21-22. Namo, you've got, rather you and I are going to work together, like I've been discussing, that the next 2 or 3 years should be such that they are all having one vision. And I hope I'm able to, uh, align with your vision and your goals as well. So Namo, great to have you on the board. Next, of course, is the bad boy who is going to be vice president, Siddharth. Siddharth, superb to know that you're following Namrata's here. I think you've been on the board long enough to know where we stand, where we can improve, what we can do. So great to have you. Club secretary is going to continue to remain Karan Gandhi. So for the first time, I'm going to stop sharing just to see Karan's face. 1 minute.
Okay, here you are, Abhay. See my face.
So there's a club secretary who's going to be in the club. He's uh, fun fact is that Karan, before Vishal decided to make Karan the secretary, I had already informed him that was I going to be president, he would have to be. So Karan is just fulfilling an obligation. Karan, a few words from you would be great to hear at this point of time.
Thank you, Abhay. It's a pleasure being part of your board, and a second year in a row, I'll be secretary. I hope I can fulfill all my obligations. I'm here with everyone, with every club member, with every board member to help you all achieve individual KRA so that the club on the whole, RCMC on the whole, can achieve its targets for 21-22. And I know that it will be a glorious year. So it's going to be a year that we return after the lockdown, given the fact that my current term as secretary has been more like an e-secretary, because most of our meetings, all our meetings have been online. Let's see what happens from Jan to June now. But I'm sure by the time the year starts, July 21 comes, it's going to be a year where we'll all meet more in person and enjoy. So I'm happy to be part of this board. And thank you, Abhay. We'll have a good year.
Thanks a lot. And before I go ahead, first of all, I want Namrata to say a few words. I'm sorry I skipped three first. I thought I'll be, after Karan, I'll take a pause. Namo, are you planning to continue with Karan as secretary? You need to inform him now.
I legit told him the same thing, might as well. Like he may as well, right? I agree with you.
But Karan confirmed the hat trick that day, na?
Exactly, that's what. Well
He
done, yeah,
confirmed the hat
Karan.
trick.
You've
Thank
broken,
you.
smashed all records.
Thank you.
The
Thank you.
record is Mumbai Mid City, one person was secretary for 11 years.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Wow.
I'm sure that won't happen in Coastline.
Yeah. So Namrata, a few words from your side.
Nothing, Abhay. I'm really, really excited to see what you have up in store, and I'm sure you're going to do a fab job. I mean, I trust that you're going to, lead the club beautifully, and I know you have your heart in the right place, and you have the. I think of all the people, actually, I think you're the one who can get our club together, stronger, closer community, as you've rightly mentioned. Because in the past 1 year, I think the one thing that we've unfortunately lacked is that sense of community and that sense of personal touch. So I think from what you've been saying, that's going to be your focus. And I'm sure you're going to do a fab job. So
Thank
best
you,
of luck
Namo.
to you. And I'm going to always be there for you
Yeah,
whenever.
and like I
Whenever.
said, we have to plan the next 3 years together. So third year is Siddharth's year. Siddharth,
Done.
what's up, buddy? A few words from you.
Yeah, firstly, great to be a part of your board, Abhay. I agree with Namrata. You're the perfect person to lead us after Vishal. And I think Abhay is probably the most over enthusiastic Rotarian that we have in our club. So who else than Abhay to get us all together, after the lockdown?
Yeah.
So yeah, I agree. So it's I think looking forward and should be a good few years.
Thanks. Yeah. Thank you so much. So I'm going to go back and just introduce the directors now. Before I do that, my buddy I have to introduce. So let me first. So after Karan is of course the club trainer, and the club trainer is the most handsome club trainer any club can ever have. His name is Dr. Ankesh Sahitya. And is Ankesh there or he didn't hear my
I'm very much there. I'm by your side.
Thank you, Ankesh. Few words
Thank you,
from
buddy.
you. You've been a past president. You've led the club before Vishal. Any words of advice for our board?
Nothing, buddy. Nothing. You were meant to be a leader of this club right from the inception of this club, and it was just a matter of time. And I'm so happy we have this day today. Time is flying. I remember my announcement of my board when you were VP, and you will notice this 2 years later that when Siddharth is president after Namrata, you will notice that how time flies. All the best. You're going to have a fantastic year. We are all with you. And this year is going to be mostly a non-COVID year if the vaccine acts the way it's supposed to act. And we'll have a community feeling just like before. And I just can't wait to meet everyone again at Jujim and Float or wherever that is. I'm looking forward for every single project and meeting.
Absolutely, buddy. Absolutely. I think we all miss each other because when we met on Saturday, few of us, I think the camaraderie was there. We met in a hybrid format, by the way. Few of us couldn't join. So the few of us met physically and few of us joined in Zoom. And with the right logistics, I think all our meetings can have 100% attendance moving forward as well. So I hope
Thank you, Abhay. Yeah.
I hope I can do as good a job that you have done with Namo as your secretary. You guys were an unbeatable jodi. So lots to look up to. And I'm
You
very
have Namo and me and everybody in the full strength. You will have a great year.
Thank
No
you
doubt.
so much. Thanks a lot. And of course, I'm introducing some new roles in the board because I just feel that they are required to be there at this point of time. Every president should have an advisor, and every president should have an advisor called Bhau, who is all been there since year one. I think all members agree that had Bhau not been the charter president, the club would have been very different. I mean, there's something like a soul which the club gets, right? And I think someone so easygoing, at the same time someone knowing all the responsibilities, rules, etc. I think we are very blessed to have Bhau as a charter president. And I have never seen any form of aggression or any form. He has his ways of pushing you forward, and he understands problems really well. So I have decided to create a position called chief advisor. Priyanka, are there onions around, and is he
I'm already crying. I am already crying.
so yeah, so I think Bhau, I decided without asking you, I made you the chief advisor. I hope you're okay with that.
No, of course, I'm always around, and I think you can also change it to cheap advisor because I don't think you're going to be paying me either.
That's not a bad joke, Gaurav.
By
your standards.
I'm sure you lead well. Yeah, Ankesh, what was that?
That's not a bad joke by your standards. It's pretty good. Hey, where's Priyanka? I want to see Priyanka's face right now. Say something.
I think Abhay mentioned about how he's never seen any aggression. I have.
I have seen Gaurav very upset once, but of
Yeah,
course,
but
not like what you have
but
seen.
he's composed most of the times.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, but I think
that. Abhay, all the best, okay?
Yeah, and one more thing, guys. Gaurav thought that this role is so important. He moved from Vile Parle to Bandra just for this role.
Yeah, he mentioned that.
So that's exactly why he came to Bandra. Anyway, I'm going to continue with this. So I don't know where Monica has disappeared, but I think the next role required her to be there. Can you all see my screen? Yeah. So I've decided also that there needs to be someone who monitors the board health and also takes care of the internal affairs of the board, mainly making sure that there is cohesion, less fights, less arguments, good meetings, productive meetings. And for that, I've taken a project manager at Workhart who happens to be my wife. So Monica would be responsible for making sure that the board is synced and cohesive. I don't know whether she's not there. She's putting Arjun to sleep. But I just thought she's there. I think I'll ask her to say a few words later because I don't think she's around. Now comes the avenue directors. I want to explain to you all a slight change which has been made now. Until now, as tradition would say, that we would have one director for medical projects and one director for non-medical projects. What I realized was that considering that this pandemic is still not over and that coordination is going to be a very important part, because what happens is many a time there's an overlap between project scope. Some projects are treated as medical, but they are actually non-medical. For example, the project where we distributed COVID kits to the cops. Now you may call it a non-medical project because it was for the police, but it was the N95 masks, etc., PPE kits, which is for a medical cause. So having these two directors disjoint, I just felt may not be the best, org chart. So what we decided was, let's introduce a central director of projects who is going to be none other than Almitra. So I feel Almitra is rightly the perfect person for this simply because she has wealth of experience. She's been a charter secretary. She knows, she's got so much of goodwill amongst the government, society, business, and the fact that she does her job really well. So Almitra, I am delighted and I am honored. And like I mentioned, any role less than what this role is would have been a gross injustice to your potential. So Almitra, over to you.
Hi everyone, Abhay, thank you for having me on your board. And Abhay has really done in-depth study about different things, and his new positionings are really great. I think it would be a great break, and we all learn in the process every year. You know, what are the faults, and he's actually made efforts to get some solutions. And I'm really happy with the way you've created, because medical and non-medical, yes, they are kind of interlinked. And it's a vast gambit where you can actually work. And I'm super excited because my team, where non-medical is going to be Priyanka with me, and medical is going to be Adi. I'm really looking forward to create more and more magic. This year we are doing great projects, but physically we all couldn't be there. So Abhay, thank you for letting me continue where we can physically meet and create magic, what Coastline is doing. Thanks. Cheers, everyone. I'm in class, so I will be signing out.
Yeah, before you sign out, I just want to say one thing. Past presidents, current president, and future, kindly note that the reason for choosing this kind of a setup is also so that we are going to continue the old projects. We are not going to say, "Arey, no, now let's do something new." So, we want to show to the community that when we take a cause up, we continue the cause till the time we see vast improvements in the kind of goals that we have set. So I just wanted to highlight that, Almitra. I understand.
Yeah, sorry, I forgot Abhay. It's amazing that how Abhay from day one, even before he was president-elect and where he was a VP, he always said, okay, let everyone do the work. I will not only maintain it. I think that's a very important aspect that we forget, that, maintenance is required of the projects that have already been done. And obviously, in the run, you always get new projects and something new comes up. So yes, he's really thought through. So all the best, Abhay. You're doing a good job.
Thanks, Almitra. And you can sign out. I know.
And be a kind taskmaster to us. That's all I'll say.
Yeah, that's why Monica is on the board as well. So she'll make sure everything is fine. So that way it's superb. Thanks, Almitra. All the best. And you can sign off. I understand you're busy. And take care and tell Parth hi.
Yes, I will. Thank you.
Cool. Yeah, thanks. Okay, I'm going to just quickly continue now. So like Almitra mentioned that we are going to have the medical director as Aditya, though that's not Shikhar Dhawan, that's Aditya Mehta. And Aditya Mehta is, of course, he's been a good director, no nonsense guy. And you can see how excited he is about his role. Let me pin him right now. Adi, a few words from you.
I'd like to say that it's been an interesting year being the youth director in Vishal's year. And like Karan likely said, there's going to be a transition year because we're going to maybe meet physically and start meetings probably by the time of June or July. And with Almitra's experience and others on working in medical, non-medical projects, I look forward to working on some good projects and continuing the previous projects which other presidents have worked on in the past. So looking forward to an exciting year ahead.
Superb. And Adi, you are known as no nonsense and you speak your mind and you speak your heart, and that's what makes your contribution very valuable. I hope you continue to remain as candid as you are. And I'll just move on now. After Adi comes non-medical project director Priyanka, who is right now admin 1. She is going to be non-medical director. Priyanka, superb to have you. Thank you so much for agreeing to continue being in the board. I know you were a little hesitant because of the Bacha Party, etc. But I'm sure with this configuration of having Almitra, you will be happy to sort of fulfill your role.
Yeah. Thanks, Abhay. Hi, everyone. Thanks for finally, I finally said yes because I also believed in your vision that we have to continue what we already have started, rather than looking somewhere else for new projects. I think I totally agree with that. And I think all of us more or less are walking the same direction, which will help us achieve what we want to achieve. And with your help, with other directors and Almitra and Adi's help, I think we can achieve that very well.
Yes, and of course, the team is well knit, and most of us stay in Bandra car, so that's superb. So we, that way is going to be. It's
You
going
just
to
want to rub that in Namrata.
be.
Where is she?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Namo's getting angry. I love it. So yeah, I'm going to move on now to the next role. So just one last thing, just to show you that the medical, non-medical project configuration is what you see on the screen. Moving on, we have director for club affairs in case of admin one, the person who makes sure the meetings are proper. Let me give you a little background that Kavit was already admin one when in Anjal's year, and as secretary, he made my life very easy. The meetings were held very well. There was never any glitch. There was never any problem. He was punctual, bang on time. Whenever he takes a responsibility, he fulfills it. And it was a natural choice for me to make Kavit the admin one. So I think, Kavit, thank you so much for agreeing to take up this role. A few words.
Hi everyone. Thank you so much, Abhay. I'm very excited to be a part of your board. There are three attributes which I associate with you: enterprising, methodical, and fun, all rolled into one. And I think those qualities are probably required for an admin one. And yeah, my endeavor will be that the meeting should be fun, useful, and interesting. So I'm really looking forward to a great year ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Kavit, so much. And thanks for taking on the same role again. I know you, it sometimes becomes monotonous, but you took it with a smile. So superb. I'll always be very appreciative of that. Now, there's been another change in the configuration structure. We are going to have 2 fellowship directors simply because I just felt that we are going to need to have a lot of fellowships. COVID's hopefully gone. And I just felt that we need to, focus literally, seriously, not just on fellowship, but on engaging high attendance fellowships. So, we are all young, we want different things. So what's better than one mind is 2 minds. So I'm very happy that 2 of the young directors have agreed to take on this role. The first director to take on this role is none other than, of course, Riya Nain, and then the second is Kautalya Cyclewala. So for the first time, we're going to have 2 directors taking on one position. So Kauti and Nain, they all are going to make sure that the parties are exciting. They are going to make sure that people aren't bored. In fact, Riya is already in Dubai. She's scouting for a nice venue, for a nice package. And I've already told her 30 members are going to come to Dubai. So Riya, first, would you like to just say a few words?
Sure. I'll look for places in Dubai. I mean, confirm and tell me what the budget is, and then I can plan something out for sure.
Exciting to have you, and of course, Kauti Bhai is also there. Kauti, you are known for your partying skills, so you please make sure the parties are good, and a few words from you.
First thing, Abhay, thanks a lot for making me part of your board. This is the first time I'm going to be on the board.
Yeah.
And I would like to tell all the fellow coastliners that I know this time is very uncertain, but trust me, within 6 months, things are going to be much better. And we're looking forward to seeing every one of you all at our 12 fellowships that Riya and me are planning. It's going to be a very exciting year, and it's going to be back to being how it was earlier.
Superb, Kauti, and thanks for announcing that you're making a vaccine and it's going to go away by June. It's brilliant.
Very soon.
So that's brilliant. So there you have it. By the way, Kauti and then our first-time directors in the board, let's give them a big round of applause. I think that's brilliant. We love having new directors because the continuity is there, so that there's a good future for the club. It's always great to have you guys. Moving on, I'm going to just now show the next position, which is lots of positions in one, because this person has got lots of experience in Rotary. He's a first-time director in RCMC, but he's been a director in his previous club. He's going to be the treasurer, he's going to be TRF, and he's going to be fundraising. So all finance-related matters is going to be handled by him. He is none other than Nikhil Sahajwani. Nikhil, I'm delighted to have you. I mean, you, first of all, no Rotary in and out. You've been a Rotarian. You live right next door. Coordination is going to be superb. So a few words. How do you feel that you're going to take on Vishal's year where the budgets are so good to a very tight situation where we're going to have a lot of fellowship? What's in line?
So yeah, I think it's going to be interesting year. We've got to be getting creative with our finances. So that's going to be exciting for year coming up. And so my advice to all the coastliners, pay your fees on time. And if you can't, then Abhay is anyways creating a fund. So whatever is short, Abhay's got it covered. So guys, it's going to be very easy here for you all. Finance is going to be a cakewalk. So Abhay, I'm pretty happy with what I've got to deal with.
I like how you passed it on to me. Superb. In fact, it was a great idea to have a no-cost EMI for the fees idea also, Nikhil. Superb thinking. And let's hope we...
Right, we've got Bajaj Finance, so yeah.
Yeah. No, my point is we're going to have a lot of fellowships. So guys, please bear in mind, we're going to try to balance it. Obviously, we don't want to subsidize all aspects like drinks and food, etc. We'll figure it out. But we'll be very frugal in our spending. So that way we'll try to keep the fees to a bare minimum. Moving on, I'd like to now move on and share the next position. The next position is membership. And membership is my colleague in Anjal's here, my bitter enemy turned very good friend, Payal Tejdhar Shah. So Payal, membership, superb role. I thought it's a great role for you. And thank you so much for agreeing to it. A few words from you would be awesome.
Abhay, I love you, man. I can do anything for you. Just keep me happy and don't fight too much.
Yeah, but you know, board directors like you and Adi will make sure that we stay grounded. And I like people who speak their mind and they don't beat around the bush. Any ideas for membership? Any few insights on what you're planning?
So the most important thing is member retainment. Okay, the retention has to be there. So I'm going to really work hard towards that. Create like a one-on-one bonding and have a lot of great stuff for all the members. Make sure they connect well. And obviously, second thing is to bring in more members who will stay. We've had some members who've come and left, and we don't want that. We want to grow with quality. So that's what is the main thing. Super. And obviously, connecting everyone, like I said, and making sure that everyone's having fun. So yeah, guys, get ready for some fun in Abhay's year.
Awesome. So Payal, by the way, has experience as fellowship director in Anjal's year. So I think she'll do great. I'm very confident about that. Moving on, the next position is youth. And this is a big change. The person who's been managing PR has decided not to manage PR anymore. I cracked a very bad joke. She's going to focus on PR and not PR anymore. So she's going to focus on youth. So I'm very excited to have Dhwani. Dhwani, it's superb to have you again on the board in a different avatar. A few words from you would be awesome.
Thank you so much for all the love that RSAMC has given till now. Abhay, you're going to be a rock star. Looking forward to everybody on the board. And the Youth Avenue, lots of things planned, almost one activity every month. So all of you all, please be there as a team to support all of us. And yes, on a side note, on a lighter note, I have already started to collect my team. So all of you all better beware.
Superb. Dhwani is a first mover advantage person, so it's great. And I'm going to move on quickly because Karan is hinting that I'm exceeded my time by a lot. Okay, the next is my favorite, public relations director. He is the most handsome director RCMC could ever have. Is he there? I hope he's not ran away. I don't know where he is. Eklavya, I think, seems to be away. So Eklavya,
I am right here. I'm right here.
Please show me your face. He's going to now put his camera on. Yeah.
Abhay, can you specify why it's Eklavya Rocco Rishi? I want you to.
Abhay is very good in giving names.
Yeah,
so
Abhay, give me a 2-minute run. Go on with that then.
No, but Eklavya, what's the plan?
It's okay, forget.
Eklavya, what's the plan for PR?
I don't know what's the plan. I'm still making it. All I'll say is that it's a very challenging role since Dhwani had a mark and reaching up to it. But yeah, the only plan is just to make sure that how our club is doing, what our club is doing to everybody, and just to go all out, go loud. Not just just to create a buzz and awareness about what RCMC is doing all around, and just to go all loud. It'll be difficult, Dhwani, to match to what you have done, but like I said, it took a lot to think about this and say Abhay, so I'll do my best.
Thanks, Eklavya. You're a rock star, and thanks for agreeing to continue to be on the board. I think that's a very good decision you made. I'm going to move on quickly now. I think we are just left with the first time director and my buddy. He's a sergeant with arms. He's a sergeant with arms, and he's Ishu. And Ishu, where are you? Can you, for the first time, show your face in a Rotary Zoom meeting? I would be very honored if you can just. Ishu, are you there? There he is, Ishu. See, this Zoom can be this Zoom can be a lot of fun. Ishu, what's your plan being sergeant at arms? I can't hear him. Can you guys hear him? I'm not able to hear him.
Issue, your voice is cracking.
Hello.
Yeah, now you're audible.
And I'm sure for and all that.
Okay, Karan, you understood what he said? Because I can't understand.
I'll have to rehear it in the recording, but I couldn't follow actually.
He's saying he'll work hard, he'll attend all meetings, and he'll make sure everyone attends.
Okay, great.
That's what he was just saying, I think. But Ishu, thanks a lot. And guys, I think with this, my presentation of the board is done. So thank you so much. And I need all of your support, and looking forward for my members, my good old colleagues, Pranav, Rachna, Hemu as treasurer, and everyone else to be there. And of course, over to you, Karan. You have your secretarial responsibility.
Thank you, Abhay. What a lovely board and a wonderful presentation you've made, and all the best for your year that's starting July. So now we have Priyanka, who will, join us and lead us into the game. Hi, Priyanka.
Yeah, hi. So everyone, have you all downloaded? Can I see your phone screens?
Yeah.
So open Psych, and you should see this. Okay. Yeah, Payal, correct. Gaurav got it.
Hey, Pranav, share your screen, man.
Abhay, can you call Monica?
Abhay, I'm not going to play the game, but I'm going to stick around for a while.
Okay, Monica is putting.
Hey, why don't you play, Pranav?
No, I'm going to stick around.
Okay, what about Rachna?
I'm going to chill.
Is she going to play?
Is Rachna going to play? No, Rachna is also got to detach right now.
Oh.
Sorry.
क्या है husband wife बहुत medicine कर रहे हैं यार.
Okay. Once everyone has a game, only then we can.
Yeah, we all have the game. Let's start.
What about Karan? Karan, you have it?
It says launching game. I'm just planning for
Say it. Nikhil?
Yeah, I'm launching it. Yeah.
Okay, Shibin.
Priya, Priya, I have dinner and one call to take. I'm keeping myself on mute, but I want to see you guys play.
Okay, and join if possible.
I'll try my best.
Priya, is this correct?
Yeah, correct.
Correct.
Okay.
I have it. I'm just not sure how to actually show
Right,
my.
join a game or start a game.
Just show me this screen.
I've never played Psych before, huh?
That's fine.
Uh,
No,
what
wait.
screen do we need to
You
have?
all have to join a game. I'll have to start a game. But yeah, so unless I know everyone has it, I can't start a game.
Is this correct? Yeah.
Said yes.
Yes. Okay.
Eklavya, I have not seen your screen. Monica, Aditya. Nikhil, you got it?
I don't know. Somebody is not opening.
Yeah, mine is also not opening. It's just.
Oh.
Getting a blank.
Is this okay?
Catch us maybe in.
Is this fine?
Yeah, you guys start. And we'll
Okay. So I'll tell you what this. Now I'm going to start a game. Then I will tell you the pin, and everyone puts the same letters or the pin
Join the game.
by clicking join a new game. Join a game. Okay.
Okay.
So there is something called okay, got it. Is that what needs to be?
Okay. Now the secret code is BUNS buns and leads. I have to click on start a game, join a game, and put in buns lads, BUNS LADS. Okay, Sid, Payal, I can see you. Gaurav, I can see you.
UNS LADS.
This is what you'll see. BUNS LADS.
Yeah.
Eklavya, okay. Adi, Kavit, Shubin. Kautilya, are you getting it?
Playing, I'm uploading pictures on Insta.
That's my job next.
All in? All in?
Yes.
Okay. Start game. Basically, you just have to make up stuff, and your friends don't know if it's real or it's a made up answer, and they will click on what they think is right. Okay. We're starting.
We have to submit answers, right?
Priyanka, you accept my request.
I don't think I can go back now, but
Next game. It'll be next round. So the game has started, so it'll be next round.
Okay.
have you put the same code? I can't go back, Nikhil.
Okay,
No,
no,
next round,
no
next round.
worries. I see 10 players are there, but it says waiting for host to accept request.
After this round, you will be allowed to join.
Okay,
Next round.
cool, next round.
For those that are entering answers, the aim is
answer de jaldi so we can go to the next round.
so the aim is to put an answer that's believable, obviously. Yeah? So aim for that, guys.
Koti is still thinking. Koti, answer de.
Kautilya, waiting for your answer.
Ye Google.
Koti has started planning. Admin to count.
You put.
Turmeric.
Choose one answer that you think is right.
The Chinese thongs.
You put firecracker.
Which you think is right or which you think is funny?
What do you
Any
feel?
of them will do. If you know one that's right, select that. If you don't, then select the most creative answer.
I like the bats one. Can you select your own answer?
No, you can't. Kavit, choose fast.
Kavit, stop going on Google.
मैंने किया ना choose.
It doesn't show Kavit.
1 minute.
Yeah, you're the only one, Kavit.
Misha, you can also download Psych and join.
कवित जल्दी करे यार, कितना सोचेगा यार अभी.
Done.
He got you.
I had picked up the correct answer. Of course, I didn't know who had written it.
How is it correct answer?
Correct answer, no one writes.
There's no correct answer.
Yeah, they give.
The chosen one, na?
So who's S?
Siddharth.
Shubin, Momos, 0 points for Momos. Okay.
So who said firecrackers? They have given firecrackers.
We have given, yeah.
Oh, that's Siddharth.
Momos was me.
Okay, next up.
Can you?
Next, yeah.
Can I join the game?
Yeah, now you can.
Yes, next round you can.
Join after
Now
10.
you can. Now do that.
Okay,
Now
two
Priyanka will accept.
ones lad.
Nikhil has joined.
Who put bongs? Nice one.
So that we can move to the next one. So this one, Adi got the maximum ones, which was, I think, turmeric, was it? Yeah, Adi got maximum points.
Oh, there are 3.
Adi put the turmeric one as well as selected the real answer, firecrackers. So he got.
He's got 4.
Okay, everyone
Nisha's
click
in.
ready.
To submit.
Okay, everyone ready?
Yes.
Go ahead.
So let's go for a couple of rounds, then we'll have fun. Who hasn't clicked ready? Kavit, ready.
You to click on ready.
Okay.
Nisha, have you clicked on ready?
You're on mute.
The game is not showing on her phone.
Oh, no. Okay, now she got it.
Okay, now. Yeah, there we go.
Okay, great. Chalo.
Okay, guys. Come on, guys.
To write a wrong answer, no?
The answers are supposed to be funny. So just put anything.
But it shouldn't be correct.
You should aim at making your friends believe it is correct, but should be funny at the same time.
अच्छा वैसा है क्या?
Who's left?
Karan, यार अभी don't give a 350 words essay right now. round, Rudy.
When I read these and I feel my answers are so lame.
Oh, what?
Okay, now I'm changing. I don't know if I can change the game to this one other round, which actually will ask some personal things about each one of us. They'll pick up our names.
What does it mean when someone says like someone cite you that you get a point or that person gets a point?
Yeah.
Or what?
If you have clicked one answer that you thought was correct, but that answer was written by, say, Gaurav. So Gaurav psyched you.
Acha.
So I get a
Gaurav,
point.
so Gaurav gets a point.
So I get a point.
Okay.
And if you click on a right answer, then you get a point
Okay.
on the actual answer.
Wow.
So if we're doing that other game, we'll all have to leave the game. So do a back and
That's right.
leave the game. We'll start a new
So
game. That is
this
wait, huh? Wait,
starts
guys.
only after this round.
Okay, let's finish this first.
Okay, quickly let's finish this. It doesn't let me go.
Yeah, sorry. Let's
Or
do
10
it.
rounds after these 10 rounds or what?
हाँ.
चलो फटाफट करते हैं.
Waiting for players to be ready.
सब ready करो फटाफट.
Kavit, आजा बेटा.
आ गए.
Oh.
Oh, even I need to think about that.
Let's start.
Namita would be the ideal.
So in this one, what happens is the right answer, there's nothing like exactly a right answer, but Siddharth chooses what is the closest to the right answer. And whatever Siddharth chooses is the psych answer. I mean, sorry, is the right answer rather.
Can you go back and edit your answer?
No,
Kavit.
क्या लिखा तूने?
अरे यार मैं क्यों नमिता कहाँ से लिख दिया है?
तो नहीं
सब लोगों ने निमिषा के बारे में ही लिखा होगा. So that don't be biased.
Sorry, Nimisha, sorry.
Kavit, this is not an exam that you want to go and edit.
I forgot her name for a minute.
You should have asked before writing.
What is the point system?
Come on, I want to read the answers, guys. Hurry up.
Did you never forget the name? हाँ बाकी सबका चलेगा.
If I forget, I'll blame it on you now.
हाँ. But तू जिंदा रहेगा तो blame करेगा ना मुझे.
What is Namita?
That's what Kavit was saying.
Yeah, because Namita happens to be Sid's and Gaurav's cousin.
अच्छा.
So now Siddharth has to choose, right? Or we also get to.
I pick. So I guess now you guys have to pick.
Oh, we also have to pick.
Siddharth tells the answer we choose.
Karan, Kavit. Ready? Kavit.
कौन बाकी है अभी?
Come on, hurry up, guys.
Kavit,
What's
सोच रहा है?
wrong with you?
Kavit, क्या सोच रहा है भाई? करण और कौतल्य क्या जीते भाई?
So now can you see the scores?
Yeah.
Now she's doing it because she got 14, huh? And she's leading to all these scores दिखने का वरना
So where does it show that Siddharth selected the answer? That's the right answer.
Before this page.
the one page.
The top, Nimisha.
Go up.
Go up. Go scroll up.
No, so in this one, actually the highest
finish. I actually picked Namita because I'm going to spend time thinking who she is.
Basically, points pairs up.
Oh, so why did I get this? It says Nanisha in mine on the top.
I don't know. I didn't.
Because I chose your answer.
Oh, that way. Okay.
4 people or maybe
But
2.
then how do we know what Siddharth has picked?
No, that doesn't work.
That
Lisa.
doesn't
I'll tell you.
Doesn't matter. Looks like.
Okay, next.
Hello, next round.
Okay, ready.
Eklavya.
Eklavya, waiting for you.
Fire Shah, are you even fearful?
Eklavya, could be
Very few things.
it has to be Boaz and Gaurav's joke. Only then your answer will get picked.
Okay. Shibin and Kavita left. Kavit,
Only Kavit is left as well.
सोचना बंद कर इतना.
Sorry, I was on a call once.
ए चल झूठ बोल रहा है.
It's okay, Kavit. We know you are slow. Chalega.
I know what Kavit will write. That Sheila has to discount in Titan.
That's Kavit's biggest fear.
Actually, yeah.
Kavit, just type anything.
And इतना प्रेशर नहीं तो मैं प्रियंका डाल देता था.
हाँ. Good.
Getting married to a bald man? Come on.
She awakens being a cat.
Dogs will disappear. Yes. That could be one.
Getting attacked by dogs and so she love it, bro.
Yeah, never. So what am I supposed to pick now?
Anything.
You think is
The
that
one I like?
Ah.
The one I like?
Yeah. Yeah, Gaurav's actually done it. Still not sure.
1 minute.
गौरव का हैंग हो गया so by the way, what is your biggest fear, Payal?
Cockroaches.
Abhay,
No, no.
for sure.
सामने cockroach रख दे मैं भाग जाऊंगी. But none of y'all are supposed to or allowed to use it against me, guys.
No, not at all. Don't worry.
We are stuck because
I
Gaurav.
am shit scared of cockroaches.
How sad.
Restart the game.
No, we're having fun.
Abhay doesn't need to tell you anything. कुछ भी गुस्सा आया, he'll unleash some 3-4 cockroaches on your face. खत्म.
I'm glad he's not hearing it.
I'll tell him. Don't worry.
Kavit.
पॉकेट में थोड़ी कॉकरोच लेके घूमेगा.
मैं मेरे कुत्ते छोड़ दूंगी उसके पीछे.
तू ये ले. हम बहुत enjoy करेंगे ऐसा.
So I have removed Gaurav. We'll play.
Aw, we miss you, Gaurav. Okay, but I picked Nikhil's answer.
What was his answer?
Dogs
Dogs
disappearing.
will disappear. I never
Payal, I
thought
know
of
you.
that.
Where do you get that? You don't get to see that, what answer you pick.
I get to see, no, who's
You get to
answer
see, like others don't get to see.
I will get to see mine, like whose I have picked. So you would be able to see.
Ready?
Ready.
Can I join now? I'm too late.
Yeah, you can.
Welcome.
You
Welcome.
have to. You're the flavor of this game.
Welcome.
Please enter a valid name. मेरा नाम valid क्यों नहीं है? एक minute.
This after this finishes, huh?
Where is Nimisha?
What song would Nimisha walk out on?
Get close to.
Nimisha, congrats.
He's walking on out of the Ellen show.
What is all this? There's some ad going on, huh?
Good to see Shibin also playing the game.
Acha, now what to do? Join a game.
Yeah.
What is the code?
Type Buns Lads.
BUNS
The one
and
in the
LEDs.
chat.
Okay, done.
And wait for her to add you. और ये round के बाद फिर आएगा, रुक जा.
Shit, Nimisha is leading, huh? Or it's just the names?
I think it's just the name.
Nimisha, give him one tapli.
Oh, Adi is leading, I think. Or was.
But what is this? Some chess or something? Everyone's concentrating so much.
It's a fun game. They give you questions and you have to make up answers and put it. And then people will pick. And if someone picks your answer, then you get the points.
Okay. Well, Monica, she didn't join.
We should ask you.
What song would Nimisha walk out of, you mean, is it?
Yeah.
Walk out off नहीं.
Walk out
on.
While entering, what song will be played?
No. I read it as walk out if some offensive song was played.
So walk out off ही है यार.
It means what will be her
मतलब वो आएगी तब कौन सा म्यूजिक बजेगा? मैंने क्वेश्चन.
Yeah, entry पे.
Yeah, entry. It's entry.
One time,
Thanks for explaining.
the first time I went to States, I was traveling alone, and I don't know if you've seen the signages. So gate 61 through 66. I actually thought that gate 61 is through gate 66, and then I found out they use through for 61 to 66. It's weird. Their English is weird.
बेबी डॉल में सोने दी ये अभय होएगा.
अरे मैं ज्वाइन नहीं किया है, मेरे को अंदर आने दो.
अच्छा.
अरे you will come in the next question now.
ये डार्क में कौन बैठा है ऐसे एकदम लोनली नाइट्स में? शिबिन भाई क्या हाल है?
मुन्नी बदनाम
Good, yeah,
हुई.
good.
कर क्या रहे हो? जल्दी खत्म करो यार.
Hi Shibin, Kavit here.
Hi, Kavit.
Good to have you, man.
Glad to be here.
Kavit owns Titan store. He gives us every month one free new
Your
one.
answers left.
Kavit, buddy.
Awesome.
Let's still have to answer fast.
मेरा हो गया. Every time don't assume it's
अरे
me
it's
only.
left, Baba.
Kavit, yours is not.
Yours is left,
दिखा
buddy.
रहा है Kavit, it shows.
Buddy. It's left.
Hey, Shibin, how are you and all?
Oh, damn.
Nimisha, congrats on Siddharth becoming VP.
Thank you. I don't know what to say.
She doesn't know what to say yet.
Was she aware about it also?
Yeah.
Nimisha, which song? But which song?
I chose nothing like that.
Which
Any
song did you pick?
I picked Payal's answer. Baby doll.
भाव तूने अभी अपना नाम गवर्नर ही बना दिया है पूरा.
हाँ पहले से.
अभी डिसाइड हो गया है मतलब.
प्रिया का नाम टॉप पे कैसे हो सकता है?
Because she has the most points.
She's doing cheating.
Priya is cheating, yeah.
Bottle, you're ready?
Conveniently ignored the.
Yeah.
अबे आंसर दे दे यार.
He would give it to TRF na yaar.
अरे join fast with game is damn good यार.
I तो left because I thought
Gaurav and Priyanka played every day at home. Join fast. You have to join Buns Lags.
What?
Go on this.
Kill Shibain ready?
Yep.
This is alien game.
Anjal speak.
अंजल का तो 1 लाख बाकी होएगा.
Lions Club membership.
That will be Abhay will be like Anjal. That's my first of
Anjal's
30
speak.
installments back.
We would have damn funny.
I think Anjal only must have
Daru,
entered
Daru.
and
My sense of humor, उसके पास तो भर भर के है.
He'll get a Sindhi cook.
Abhay, please pick my answer.
But even I put an answer, so that doesn't make sense. ना मैं खुद का आंसर पिक करूंगा क्या?
हम लोग को मालूम नहीं है ना किसने क्या डाला है.
हाँ.
हाँ, you can't pick your own.
हाँ,
You can't pick your answer.
Next round we will join.
It's
really fun.
Why is it
I'll
red?
pick fast, man.
Why is
Yeah,
it-
stopping the recording. He recorded.
Yeah, please stop it.
Wait.
Abhay, I got your answer. I picked your answer.
Even Sid picked my answer
Okay, no one picked my answer. It's same.
because you not yet played, no?
Okay, ready for the next one?
Yeah.
This is a fun game, Priya.
What is this?
Abhay, you have to stop it.
I'm waiting for players to be ready.
Karan, तेरा आ रहा है.
क्या आ रहा है?
अरे वाह, आज होने वाला है romance.
What? What did Priya's last text message say?
यार इसमें बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक होना चाहिए ना ऐसे.
Abhay, you have to stop recording. मेरे यहाँ से नहीं हो रहा है.
अरे अभी तक